So hey everyone and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. So as today is another BBR Sunday and I'm really glad to tell that I'm back from my YouTube break because I was having my exams, but I'm really thrilled to tell that now they are over. So I'll be posting multiple videos for all over the week, and also I'll be posting new videos every Sunday at 5 PM IST Indian Standard Time. So stay tuned, and also some multiple videos like hashtag shorts and other topics of learning English and more. Okay, so let's move to the main topic. So today I have a BBR video, and guess what? It is the second part of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Now I must tell that we have already made the part 1 video. Now you can see an eye popping up here right now. There is the video. Now all the important points about the subconscious mind are already given in that part. So first you need to watch that part, and now in this video, part 2, I'm going to give you all some methods and techniques for using how to control your subconscious mind and achieve what you want. Okay. So in today's video, I'll be giving you all 3 things: BBR My Review, hashtag BBR Experience, and hashtag Flash Moments. And in BBR My Review, I'll be giving you all 3 methods and techniques to control your mind. And I'm sure that by the end of this video, you'll be having those easiest and perfect techniques to change your life and make your life more grander, richer, successful, and most important, happier than ever. So why are we waiting for? Let's get started. So 18th BBR is our wish, so let's start the video in a swish. Okay, so the first here comes is BBR My Review. So the 3 methods and techniques to control your mind and achieve what you want. The first method number 1, is the visualization technique. Now this is a very useful technique, and I think this is impressed all over the book of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Now what you need to do is just impress on your subconscious mind what you visualize. Now mainly visualize in present, like as if you want a degree or something like a YouTube play button, a trophy or a certificate. Imagine and visualize your name on it, and just think that you already have it and you're just showing it to your friends, etc. Because the picture is worth 1,000 words. And also believe in it deeply. Now I must tell that if you believe in it so much deeply, you don't know that however you will get it very sooner than you think. Just don't let the negative suggestions or thoughts impress upon your subconscious mind by the conscious mind. So just see that all the positive suggestions are only there wandering in your subconscious mind. No negative suggestion even comes to, or your subconscious mind will get confused that whether to you choose negative or positive, and it will just be stuck over there. So just visualize the things you want, and this will make the next process. Now the second method I'm going to give is just linking to it. Now the method number 2 is the mental movie method. Now this just links with the visualization technique. Now the picture is worth 1,000 words. Make it into such a kind that make a small scene. Like now you have a degree or you have those trophies, you're just showing it to your friends, and you're kind of just cleaning it or anything you are doing with it. And just impress that upon your subconscious mind, and slowly the process will start taking on it. Now these 2 techniques are the easiest ones, because the mental movie method impresses so deeply on your subconscious mind that you can easily impress upon it very properly. Now in this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, these 2 techniques are impressed in various different types of words. Now the next technique, the method number 3, the sleeping technique. Now we have really experienced the technique so many times of the day that you don't even know. Now how come? Let's take an example. Now at the night on the bed, you sometimes just say to yourself that hey, I want to wake up tomorrow at 6 AM. And if you deeply impress on it that yes, I have to wake up, I have to do this thing, I don't have any choice. And the next day you wake up on 6 AM dot, or even before it, without the help of alarm. How is this possible? This is actually an example of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is actually not at all sleeping. it is always awake. It carries out all the vital functions of our body, like the breathing, heart functions, blood circulation, etc. So what happens in this sleeping technique is your subconscious mind works. Our conscious mind sleeps at the night or takes power naps the whole day sometimes. So when our conscious mind is sleeping, it's not awake. It doesn't pass any negative suggestions to our subconscious mind. So actually it's sleeping. So all of those negative suggestions by which the subconscious mind will get confused actually closed. So your subconscious mind can work more properly and give you what you want, and you can achieve very nicely. So these three methods are actually simple, and the sleeping technique is used in all of these methods. Like you see the mental movie method, the visualization technique, and there are many more techniques in this. So these three methods and techniques are actually going to make you so much powerful. Now in this book, I must also tell you that there are various different types of names, and one name is also as the sleeping mind and the waking mind. So waking mind or the awake mind is actually the conscious mind, and the sleeping mind is actually the subconscious mind. So these three techniques, visualization technique, mental movie technique, and the sleeping technique, are actually linking. So what you have to do right now is, after the video ends, after you also watch the part 1 video, do one thing. Start by using these techniques. Do at least 2 to 3 times these techniques a day and imagine what you want. And I'm sure that if you use all of them properly, your life is going to change more grander, greater, richer, and successful and happier than ever. This book has so many topics impressed, and there's so many of the different types of techniques and methods. And this mental movie method, visualization technique, thank you technique, then interruption technique, etc. These are given so much deeply in this book that you have to read them. I have given short form of it that after the video ends quickly, you need to start up. Okay, and so let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt or what you learned after reading the books we have reviewed or any other books, and just put down a comment with a hashtag BBR experience. And your work's done. So now what you need to do is quickly put down comment, read any book, whatever important point you find out, quickly put it down. And a hashtag flash me once, and a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, and so these were the best experiences I got from all of you, and I'm looking forward for all of them, and also your responses and your results of how you felt after using these three methods. This is actually the short form of these methods. I've indirectly given you all of the information from these three methods and in very short form, which is actually important to you. So what you need to do, you know now. Quickly after the video ends, start by using these processes, and in the sleeping technique, do what is, just go in a sleepy drowsy state, free your mind of every single thought, like some negative thoughts, your mind always wanders here and there, just take it back and give it a very calm feel as if you're just going to drift out to sleep. And after that, just think of whatever you want. Just make a movie of it and it's done. And now how to test that your subconscious mind has got that the sleeping technique is working. Now after you impress those suggestions onto your mind, you will quickly sleep, because your subconscious mind wants to work and your conscious mind needs to go to sleep for that. And when you go to sleep like this, it means that your subconscious mind has got impressed by you, and that's a great work. Okay, and so this was my review, and I do hope that you loved this return, and I'll be posting multiple videos in this whole week with hashtag shorts and many other topics, and also fixed videos on Sundays at 5 PM IST Indian Standard Time. So don't forget to stay tuned, and so please subscribe my channel, press that bell icon just right next to the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, like, share and comment, and loads of your love. And don't forget to check out the website I have made of Unique Chat BBR. Now all information about the website is in the description box. So don't forget to click the link and visit my website. I've made it myself. And so that was all from me. I hope you loved this review, and happy watching, happy learning and unique readings.